welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 28th of September. And first of all, national news. Defense manufacturer Saab to produce Carl Gustav M4 weapon system in India. UP Yamuna Expressway Authority paid for land unavailable on record, Auditor CAG. The President has given assent to the Registration Tamil Nadu Amendment Bill 2021. President Draupadi Murmu approved Haryana law declaring child marriages void. Calcutta High Court ordered CBI probe in Bengal teacher eligibility exam case. Google India's Government Affairs and Public Policy head Archana Gulati has resigned from her post, sources said. Notes ban Supreme Court to hear pleas challenging constitutional validity. Supreme Court reserved verdict on pleas challenging center's 10% quota for poor. The Surya Kiran aerobatic team of the Indian Air Force put up a stunning air show in Guwahati on Tuesday. Super Sniffer Dog Squad to protect African cheetahs from poachers. And now some international news. Shinzo Abe, a phenomenal friend of India, PM Modi's tribute to Japan, ex-PM. Russia's nuclear threat certainly not a bluff, ex-president warned West. Mystery leaked in two Nord Stream Russia to Europe undersea gas pipelines. Putin may announced accession of occupied regions in Ukraine on Friday, UK. Kamala Harris to visit demilitarized zone on South Korea trip. US replied to Foreign Minister Jay Shankar on F-16 deal with Pakistan. Ukraine released shocking before and after pictures of soldier captured by Russians. US-Pak discussed need to maintain responsible relationship with India. Era of blind engagement with China ending, ex-Trump advisor in Taiwan. And now news related to sports. Women's ODI rankings, Harmanpreet Kaur moved up to 5th place after clean sweep against England. Nations League, Italy beat Hungary for consolation of Final Four. Nations League, England rally in 6th goal. Germany thriller to ease pressure on Gareth Southgate. BFW World Rankings, HS Prannoy stormed into top 15 for first time in 4 years. Chess champion Magnus Carlsen accused Hans Niemann of recent cheating. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty reverse earlier gains to fall for 5th straight session. Rupee recovered a touch against a softer dollar but not far from record low. RBI may need to replenish forex reserves as rupee falls further, a report said. Gautam Adani said his group will invest over $100 billion in next decade. Oil prices steady near January lows, a day after steep sell-off. Wall Street's worst sell-off since 2008 deepens on 98% recession. Google's India policy head Archana Gulati resigned, a report said. Torrent Pharma to acquire Kuroshio Healthcare for Rs 2,000 crore. India's Blade signed deal for about 200 electric aircraft from Embraer's Eve. India has fairly large forex reserve to deal with current crisis. Official. And now news related to science and technology. NASA DART spacecraft successfully slammed into asteroid Dimorphos in first planetary defense test. Jupiter made closest approach to Earth in 59 years. NASA's latest discovery is a small island from an underwater volcano in Pacific. NASA rolling back Artemis 1 rocket, spacecraft back to assembly building. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.